How to get free stuff on Temu. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free stuff on Temu. Getting free stuff on Temu typically involves taking advantage of promotions, special offers, or participating in giveaways. Here's how you can get free stuff on Temu. First of all, open your Temu application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Here on this homepage, when you scroll down, you'll find this daily gift box. Tap on this option to open it. Here you'll need to tap on this open the box, and here you might get the free stuff from the Temu app. And then you can get free items or discount on Temu. If in case you didn't see this option right here, you can come back to the home page and here tap on this profile icon of yours at the central button. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to this page. Here tap on this messages option. Once you tap on messages, you will reach to this page. Here at the top, you'll find promotion options. Tap on this promotions, and once you reach to this page, you scroll down through the promotions until you see daily gift box. You can also explore other special deals and promos available here. Also be aware of scams and messages imitating Temu. It says Temu doesn't ask for customers for extra fees via SMS or email. If somebody is asking you for extra fees in return of these deals, then that might be scam. So be aware of it. Now from here you can tap on one of these to enter it. Opening these free boxes can earn you special deals, promos, and even account credit. So in this way you can get free stuff on Temu. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.